She got rid of those wrinkles, she got rid of those smile lines, fine lines, naturally at home, using very simple ingredients. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch them. For those that are new here, in this channel, I share beauty tips and health tips. So when you subscribe, you'll be getting so many videos like this that will help to take care of your skin, making sure your skin is glowing beautifully, going out there without makeup and be looking naturally beautiful. First ingredient you have to get is rice powder. Rice powder is very important for the skin. It's very exfoliating, very natural. It helps to brighten the skin. Exfoliating the skin to remove dead skin cells that make your skin looking dull, old, wrinkled and all that. So the result will reveal a bright, new skin that glows. Rice powder also helps to protect your skin from sun damage, help to treat sunburn, brightens a dull skin. Very important for those that want to brighten with a lovely glow. Also helping to fight all those signs of aging like laugh lines, new wrinkles, old wrinkles, any kind of wrinkles at all. It helps to take care of it. It fights free radical damage that makes your skin age fast. So get rice powder. If you cannot get it from supermarket, please use your rice grain. Okay, like I've gotten so many comments, like people asking how can they make rice powder themselves or where to get it. I got this from the supermarket, but I usually make it myself. Okay, that one is more organic. If you make it yourself, it's much better because you'll be sure that it's 100% natural. So how to make it is to get your rice grain from the kitchen, blend it into a smooth powder by using your blender. Blend it until it's very smooth. If yours is not smooth, all you have to do is to use a sieve, okay, a strainer, to strain it, sieve it until it's in a fine powder like this. Okay, make it very smooth. So this is very important to make you ageless. You'll be aging backwardly instead of aging fast. Another ingredient to get here is this cornstarch. Okay, cornstarch is very important for the skin. Like it helps to absorb so much oiliness of your skin. If you have all this greasy look, for those that have oily skin, will benefit so much from cornstarch. Also, cornstarch is also exfoliating, but not as rice powder. It helps to treat aging signs, fine lines, smile lines. For those that don't know smile lines, all those, when you smile, that line that comes like this, some comes like this. Those are actually first signs of aging. Okay, if you start having them, with time it will start developing to all these deep wrinkles. So if you use natural ingredients like this, natural marks, treatments to help to minimize their appearance with consistency, it will not have all those signs again. It will help to delay signs of aging. Before you start developing wrinkles, you'll be like from 60, 70. Okay, so take care of your skin now before it gets worse. So cornstarch is also very good for those that want to have a smooth, flawless skin. So go ahead and get your cornstarch with rice powder. Another one to get here is this orange peel. Yeah, I love orange peel so well. Okay, orange peel powder is very important for the skin. It exfoliates your skin so well, and the result will be a very smooth skin that glows. Your skin will look so beautiful. Even without makeup, you'll be looking so beautiful. Orange peel is gotten from orange, of course, the peel of orange. So this is how it's made. You have to peel the back of the peel. If you cannot get your orange peel powder, just do it yourself. Though it's not easy anyway, but you have to do it yourself, okay, because it's very important for the skin. So get the peel of orange, remove the peel of orange, then you have to dry it, wash it, of course, wash it and dry it under the sun, or use a low heat on a microwave. Dry it until it's flaky, until it's very dried. After that, you blend it into a powder form, and that is your orange peel powder. So this powder contains high amounts of vitamin C. So if you are fortunate to have sun, it's best to dry it under the sun so that there will not be nutrient loss drying it under microwave. That vitamin C is very good for the skin, helping to make sure you achieve a beautiful skin. Like it helps to boost collagen content in your skin, making sure your skin is looking the best. you age less, your skin will just look so beautiful and brighter. For those that have a dull skin, you benefit so much from orange pea powder. It's very exfoliating as well, helping to get rid of stretch marks. Yes, with consistency, it will fade away stretch marks. It helps to brighten the skin, to remove dark spots and the rest. Before telling you other ingredients, like few other ingredients, you have to get a mixing bowl. Measure 1 tablespoon of rice powder, 1 tablespoon of orange pea powder, measure 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then these are the powdered ingredients, 1 tablespoon each. Add it into the mixing bowl. So this is the time to tell you the oil to use. Okay, of course you will need an oil. Sunflower oil is very important. Okay, this is the one I have right now. So get your sunflower oil from the supermarket, online. Okay, so this is an oil that will not clog your skin. It will not clog your pores. It's for all skin type. It moisturizes, it hydrates, it makes you look younger. Like, it contains high dose of vitamin E, and vitamin E contains powerful antioxidant that will nourish your skin. Like, this is just perfect for all skin type. I have an oily skin and I use sunflower oil in place of some heavy oils, okay, because this is very light. There are some oils I will apply on my skin because I have an oily skin. It will just clog my pores or irritate my skin, giving me acne and the rest. So this is very important for those, whether you have dry skin, oily skin. But if you have a severe dry skin, your skin is very dry, go for almond oil, argan oil, or you go for olive oil. These are heavy oils that that will keep your skin well moisturized, but this is also very good. So just get your sunflower oil, add 1 tablespoon into the mixture of other 3 ingredients. 1 tablespoon is enough. Then you have to get your rose water. If you have been watching my videos, you notice that I use rose water a lot, and that is because I get a lot of benefits from rose water. But if you do not have rose water, you can mix with water. When you are mixing the ingredients, you can mix with water or rose water. So rose water, you will get benefits like glowing skin. Yes, rose water glows the skin, it lightens the skin. Not really like lightening, it will just brighten a dull skin, making you look so flawless, glowing your skin. You can just use only rose water to clean your face like a toner early morning before you go to bed. It's very conditioning. It will help to balance the skin pH, making sure your skin is glowing beautifully. Tightens a loose skin, like making sure you're looking younger as well. So this is very important. But if you do not have it, mix with ordinary water anyway. As you're mixing the ingredients, be adding it little by little. This is very important so that the remedy will not turn watery and so that it will not be so thick. Okay, you need it to be in a semi-solid. So apply it on a well clean skin. Wash your skin very well with a lukewarm water and a mild soap, or use a cleanser. Wash off all makeups, then apply this treatment on your skin everywhere you want to treat. If you want to treat only this area, your laugh lines, apply it around there. It's also very important to apply around your eyes to get rid of developing wrinkles or to delay wrinkles. So this is just very important for everyone, okay? As long as you are in your 20s upward, apply this treatment to delay signs of aging. Apply this treatment if you have existing wrinkles already. This is going to help. With consistent use, you will not have those wrinkles anymore. So use this treatment 3 times weekly for best results, or it's very safe as well to make use of it every day. So when you apply this treatment, leave it on your skin 20 minutes and wash it off. After washing it off, you will see instant result, like your skin is just going to glow and look very smooth and soft. But with consistent use, you will notice that your skin will be looking younger and younger all the time. Continue with this treatment and you never regret it. Store the remain in the refrigerator to use it next time, okay? And you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.